Proof of concept add-ons for final project in Java. The window's already up for that. Let's pop it up here. So this is for the GUI for my spell crafting and spell battling program that I want to do. This follows, I mean, we just did GUIs for class, so I figured this is a good thing to add. And right now this is a really basic proof of concept. I probably won't stick with this, but the idea is this black area is where I'm going to have the images that'll pop up if you know the user casts a damaging spell. On the left it'll show like a boom, like one of these. If it's a healing spell, it'll show this. There'll be much more than that. Oh, excuse me. But the health bar up there and the opponent's health, the healing spell brings it back up, damage spell brings it down. So I want it to be like a, you can see the health bar is kind of like a battler thing, almost like a Pokemon game. The other one is, I've been trying to work with these different ways of, I don't know, I guess you could call it working with dictionaries in general to try to find a logic path. Because then I had another one where I went through and I did the, like my spellcraft one has the same sort of thing, but the way I did this one is I just have I'm making another dictionary where if these are the three things chosen, these are the keys to the different dictionaries. There's light or dark, and then there's earth, water, air, fire, and then groups A, B, C, and D. So I just want to set it up so there's a course where if like they pick light magic, and then they pick one of these two elements, and then they pick one of these two groups, they'll cast a damaging spell. And so I don't want to go through and do all this though, and so what I want to do is follow some of this logic here. But this one's like, I don't know, it still feels like really bulky. Because this is if, and it's just checking the same thing. Whereas like you could just check that final dictionary for all the combos. So I'm trying to figure out a good way to organize this. This is a little proof of concept of just showing these and getting the categories. I have this same function I used in another program. But working with dictionaries is ideal because hash mapping and all the other stuff I have to learn for my upcoming interviews this coming year. So those are my two for the final project.